This circuit uses electricity to control air pressure to make two cylinders, let's call them cylinder A and cylinder B, move in a specific order: A plus, B plus, B minus, and A minus. Now let's proceed to the electrical control circuit. This part is like a series of electrical paths that turn on or off the solenoids based on the positions of the cylinders and button presses. In this part, I used push buttons, limit switches, relays, and magnetic reed sensor, also called magnetic proximity switch. So how does the A plus, B plus, B minus, A minus sequence works? First, for A plus, when the manual push button is pressed and assuming the cylinder A is retracted and cylinder B is also retracted, the circuit for relay K1 is completed. When K1 energizes, its normally open contacts close and its normally closed contacts open. When K1 contact closes, completing the circuit to energize solenoid Y1, it activates its valve and airflow to extend cylinder A. As cylinder A extends, it will eventually hit the A plus limit switch. This will lead to B plus. When cylinder A reaches its fully extended position, the A plus limit switch is activated. This activation combined with an active K1 completes the circuit for relay K2. When K2 energizes, Y3 activates its valve and air flows to extend cylinder B. And then, when cylinder B reaches its fully extended position, the B plus limit switch is activated. This activation combined with an active K2 completes the circuit for relay K3. When K3 energizes, Y4 activates its valve and air flows to retract cylinder B. As cylinder B retracts, it will eventually hit the B minus limit switch. When cylinder B reaches its fully retracted position, the B minus limit switch is activated. This activation completes the circuit for the relay K4. When K4 energizes, completing the circuit to energize solenoid Y2, it activates its valve and air flows to retract cylinder A. So, how about using it continuously? In the diagram, there is a push button that can be used for a continuous system. There would typically be an electrical latch or holding circuit associated with the continuous push button. This latch using a relay contact would keep the initiating circuit closed even after you release the continuous push button. And when A- step completes, a signal would feed back into the latch circuit, allowing the K1 for A+ to re-energize immediately. The circuit diagram also provides an emergency stop, which stops the system immediately when the push button energizes.